Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we're going to make a Zen Dragon Kids Bath. Let's get started. Okay, today we're making a Zen Dragon Kids Bath, and this one's really fun because it's really easy to make and your kids are gonna love it. So, you'll need Zen Dragon Bath Soak, and I have exactly a ½ pound, and you'll need 0.05 pounds of Lingonberry fragrance. And this fragrance is really nice. It's all natural. We have a blog about our all natural fragrances if you want to read more about them. Okay, so all you need is a mixing bowl, and you simply add your Zen Dragon, your ½ pound Zen Dragon Bath Soak, and your 0.05 pounds of Lingonberry fragrance oil. And I know it seems weird to add an oil to a powder, like, oh, what the heck is going to happen? But it's really just fine. You're not adding that much, just enough to give it a nice light scent. You can certainly add more if you want more of a scent, or less if you want less of a scent. And take a whisk and mix that in there thoroughly. Oh, it smells so good. The Lingonberry smells to me just like sweet tarts. And when I took it to my daughter's school to get all the kids to test it out for us, they thought the same thing. So this was when she was in middle school. And boy, did they love the Lingonberry scent, which is why I chose it for a kids' bath. Okay, oh my gosh, that smells so good. And that's all mixed in there. And now, I'm gonna take a little bit. I wanna show you how fun this bath soak can be. So we're gonna sprinkle a little in here. And probably a ½ cup to a full cup is fine for a full-size bath. And then we're going to add water, and I just wanted to show you how fun. It's a fizzing bath soak, so it fizzes up. So it's fun for the kids, and as you mix it, and obviously you're not going to whisk your bath, but you can see it turns kind of a light pink color, which is also kind of fun. I just love this bath. Super fun, lots of foam for the kids, easy for you to make. We hope you enjoy your new Zen Dragon Kid Bath. You can click the More button directly below this video for a link to purchase the ingredients included in this recipe. And we hope you enjoy your new Zen Dragon Kid Soak.